Okay, today I'll take one example based on quartiles, deciles, and percentiles. The problem is based on discrete series. Discrete series. Okay, the question is from the BCom third semester 2018 December. From this question paper, I collected the question. The question is question number 4. Question number 4. You see the question number 4. Find Q3, D4, P60. They have to calculate P60. These numbers they have to calculate. P60 they are asked to calculate. Okay. Then income is 2,500, 3,000, 3,250, 3,500, 3,750, 4,060. And number of persons are 20 persons are having 2,500, less than 2,500, and 14 persons are having 3,000 income. 6 persons are having 3,250. 26 persons are having 3,500. 9 persons are having 3,750, and 13 persons are having 4,000 income, and 4 persons are having 6,000 income. This is the income statement and information collected regarding income and persons. Okay, they have to calculate Q3, Q4, D4, and P60. Okay, P60 they have to calculate. Before this, I'll explain what is P60. Okay. Percentile. What is percentile? Percentile means the total values, total frequencies are divided into 100 parts. You have to divide the total values into 100 parts. If the frequencies are given, total frequency are to be divided into 100 equal parts, and you have to calculate 99 percentiles, 99 parts. Okay, P1 is the first percentile, P2 is the second percentile, P3 is the third percentile, P4 is the fourth percentile, P5 is the fifth percentile. Like this, up to we calculate P99 percentile. P99 percentile. P1 comes at the first part end, P2 comes at the second part end. Like this, 99, P99 comes at the end of 99 part. Before this, 99 parts are there, and after this, one part is there. Okay. In this way, the total frequencies are divided into 100 parts, and we calculate the 99 values. All those 99 values are called as percentiles. Percentiles. And they are denoted as P, and the required percentile is denoted by R, small r. Remember this. Okay. And this is the question I have taken for your explanation. Then this is collected from the question paper, 2018 question paper. This is for 5 marks. Okay. You see this question. how to calculate this question. This is regarding, you see the equation also. I'll give you equation first regarding percentiles. Discrete series frequency distribution, discrete frequency distribution and continuous frequency distribution. For discrete, PR means percentile required is equal to R into n plus 1 divided by 100th item. And for continuous frequency distribution, PR is equal to 1 plus, sorry, L plus C by F in the bracket Rn. R and N are to be multiplied and divided by 100 minus CF. The same median equation applied, only change is N is multiplied with required percentile and divided by 100 instead of 2. This is the equation I modified. Okay. So you remember this, these two equations are to be applied for percentile. If the discrete frequency distribution is there, you apply the first equation and second equation for the continuous frequency distribution. And this problem is discrete frequency. There is no class. There is no class, only one value is considered. 2500 is the only one value, income, and number is 20. 20 members are having 2500 income. Okay, it is not in between, continuous. Okay, therefore it is a discrete frequency distribution table. So for this, you have to apply the first equation. You have to apply the first equation. Then now you see here, cumulative frequency distribution table I will prepare. X-axis 2500, 3000, 3250, 3500, 3750, 4000, 6000 total. This is the income. Okay. And number of persons 20, 14, 6, 26, 9, 13, 4, 92. Okay, 92. This is the total 92. Now we calculate the less than cumulative. We calculate the less than cumulative. 20, 20. 20 plus 14, 34. 30 plus 34 plus 4, 6, 40. 40 plus 26, 66. 66 plus 9, 75. 75 plus 13, 88. 88 plus 4, 92. So total is tally. Okay. Now what they asked, we calculate. First they asked to calculate QR. Q1 is, they asked to calculate Q, quartile. Okay. They asked to calculate the quartile. Therefore, you write the quartile equation. This is the discrete frequency. Continuous is not here. So discrete equation is QR is equal to R into 1 plus N divided by 4. For Q, divide by 4. For decile, divide by 10. Percentile, divide by 100. You remember this one. Median divided by 2. Quartile divided by 4. Decile divided by 10. Percentile divided by 100. Okay, I will fill up the value in the equation. QR, they asked to calculate Q3. R value is 3 is equal to 3 into 92 plus 1. 92 is the n value plus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 3 into 93 divided by 4 is equal to 273 divided by 4. Okay. 279 divided by 4 is equal to 69.75. I'll check. 69.75. It may be right. You check it is Whether it is correct or wrong, you check, you calculate. So 279 by 4, 69 by 69.75 or not. This is the item. It is not the Q3. It is the item number. Then you calculate Q3. Where is that Q3? Q3 69.75. 69.75 here is 66 completed, and 69.75 comes in this 75 cumulative number. In this 75 number, there is 69.75. Okay, so you have to mark it. This in this line there is a answer. So the Q3 answer is X value. X value in this line is 3,750. 3,750 is the Q3. Q3 is equal to 3,750. You see here, I calculated the item number, search the cumulative column, then in that line you see the value of X. You see the value of X. Value of X is 3,750. That is called as Q3. Third quartile. Third quartile value is 3,750. Okay, this is the answer. And second question, they asked to calculate decile. Okay, they asked to calculate decile. That is the fourth decile, I think. Fourth decile. Okay, this is the decile equation. This is the decile equation. dr is equal to, means required decile is equal to r into n plus 1 divided by 10th item. Okay, for d I divide by 10. Only thing is denominator. Next is D4. They asked to calculate D4. D4 is equal to 4 into 92 plus 1 divided by 10. 10th item, not exact answer. Item number comes, then you search the item number in the table and find the X value. So 93 into 4 divided by 10. Next is you multiply this 372 divided by 10. Therefore, D4 is 37.2 item. 37.2 item. 37 number. Where is the 37 number in the cumulative? Okay, 37 number you have to search. In the first, there is only 20. In the first number, only 20 is there. To search this number, you come from the top. In the cumulative frequency. In the cumulative frequency, you search from the top, not from the bottom. In the 20, only 20 numbers are there. In the second 34, only 34 numbers are there. And in the 40, there is 37 number. 37 number. Therefore, in this line, you see the X value. In this line, you see the X values to 3,250. 3,250 is called as fourth decile. Fourth decile. Therefore, fourth decile is equal to 3,250. 3,250 is equal to D4. Okay, D4 answer is 3,250. Next, they have to calculate percentile. Percentile equation is PR. Rth percentile. R into n plus 1 divided by 100 item. 100 item. Okay. Then here we have to calculate Rth item. Sorry, I calculated 75 fifth percentile. Just a minute, I will change it. Okay, I forget to I forgot to record it. Now I record the once again. Okay, percentile P6 PR is equal to R into 1 plus N plus 1 divided by 100th item. Okay, 60th value they asked to calculate P60. So 60 into 96, 92 plus 1, N is 92 divided by 100. You put the values, 92 plus 1 is 93. 93 into 60 divided by 100 is equal to 5580 divided by 100 is equal to 55.80th item. 55.80th item you have to search in the cumulative column from the first. Cumulative column from the first 20, no. 54, 34, no. 40, no. 66. In the 66 number, 55.8 is there. Therefore, its related X value is 3500. 3500 is called as P60. In this way, you have to calculate the value of P60. Okay. Now I'll take one more example based on this, but this example is on diagrams and graph chapter. I'll solve this problem by equation method and graph method. Okay, first I'll solve this on the equation method. Equation method I'll solve, then I'll solve the with the help of graph. Okay, you see the question. Draw a suitable argue curve. Suitable argue curve and hence find graphically. Suitable argue curve is to be drawn. Okay, if median is asked, you draw less than and more than both for median. And quartile, decile, percentile. Quartile, decile, percentile, you draw less than argue. Less than argue is a suitable curve. Remember this. Less than argue is the suitable curve. Next is value of Q1. D5 is asked. Then P75 is asked. These are the value they asked to calculate. Okay. With the help of graph. They asked to calculate with the help of graph. I will calculate with the help of graph as well as with the help of equation. Okay. First of all, you see the table. And second question is number of families income less than 2,500, 25,000. Number of families less than 25,000 income. They asked to find the number of families. How many families are having less than 25,000 income? Less than 25,000 income. Okay. This can be calculated with the help of graph also, or you can see here 25,000 is the income, less than 25, 67 members are there. Answer is here only. Okay. And I'll show how to calculate in graph. If it is 20,000 or 22,000, you have to ask different way, but answer itself is in the problem. Number of families income less than 25,000. Question is this, and answer is there itself. Less than 25 income, 25,000 income, number of families 67. In the question itself is the answer. Okay, but you have to show it in the graph. Okay, graphically you have to show it. I will show in the graph also. First, you have to make the table. Okay, in the table, first I will calculate the class. Less than means the upper limit value is given. You have to take the lower limit value. 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, 30,000, 35,000, 40,000. These are the upper limit values. Now you calculate the lower limit for this. 0 to 5,000, 5,000 to 10,000, upper limit 5,000 becomes the lower limit. 10,000 becomes the lower limit. Okay, for the next group. 15,000 to 20,000, 20,000 to 25, 25 to 30, 35, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to, okay. Just again, there is a problem. I'll get it. This is a frequency distribution table. Classes are given 35,000 to 40,000. Next, this number of family, if less than value is given, the F value is cumulative frequency. Remember this point. If less than values are given or more than values are given. If less than values are given, frequency is always less than frequency, cumulative frequency, less than cumulative. If more than values are given, the cumulative, frequency given is more than frequency. Remember this. So I have recorded here as cumulative frequency, CF, 4, 12, 25, 20, 45, 67, 77, 85, 90, total is, I'll calculate. Okay, now you have to calculate the original frequency. Original frequency is 4 minus 0 is equal to 4, 12 minus 4 is equal to 8, 25 minus 12 is equal to 13, 45 minus 25 is equal to 20, 67 minus 45 is equal to 22, 77 minus 67 is equal to 10, 85 minus 77 is equal to 8, 90 minus 85 is equal to 5 is equal to 90. Like this, you have to calculate the frequency. Okay. Now you have to calculate the required items. Q1 item, D5 item, then P75 item. You see here. Q1 item where comes? That is to be find. That is to be find out first. So QR is equal to R into N divided by 2. Okay, instead of N plus 1, you take N only because it is a continuous frequency. N divided by 4. This is N divided by 4. N divided by 4. In this equation, you fill the value. Q1 is constant. Q1 is equal to 1 into 90 divided by 4 is equal to 22.5. 22.5th item. 22.5 item you have to find in the graph. Okay, I'll show in the graph. And next is D5. Decile 5 means fifth decile. Fifth decile equation I'll write. dr is equal to r into n divided by 10th item. d5 is equal to 5 into 90 divided by 10 is equal to 450 divided by 10 is equal to 45th item. 45th item. 45th item. Next I will calculate the percentile, that is P75. P75 is equal to PR is equal to R into N divided by 100th item. Okay, you see here 75P, sorry, P75 is equal to 75 into 90 divided by 100 is equal to P75 is equal to 6,750 divided by 100 divided by 100. Therefore, P75 is 67.5 5th item, 67.5th item. Okay. Then your duty is in the graph. In the graph, you draw the less than frequency curve. First, you draw the less than frequency curve. In the less than frequency curve, you have to mark the values. Q1 is 22.5. In the y-axis, you have to search the number 22.5 in the y, and D5 is 45th point. D5 is 45th point, and P75 is 67.5th item. You have to find this and draw a horizontal line from that point to the graph line. Graph line. Okay. Less than frequency line. Then from that point to x-axis, you draw a perpendicular line where the line touches the x-axis. That is the Q1. Next is D5, and next is P75. Okay. And this is enough for today. I will continue this same problem tomorrow. Same problem tomorrow. How to calculate the values with the help of graph and diagram. Time is up. Time is over. Therefore, we will see tomorrow.